The Hydrocarbon Pollution Remediation Project HYPREP don commission a first water scheme for Baroko community for Gokana local government area of Rivers State. Project coordinator of HYPREP Neni Barini Zombe for in speech talk say one of the main things for the project na to provide potable water for the people of Ogoni communities. A constant talk say Ingo make sure say they meet up with the mandate to clean up Ogoni land for internal.
The water plant has an installed storage capacity of 500 cubic meters of water to guarantee a sustainable supply of good quality water to all households in the service community. Following the presidential inauguration of HYPREP on 2nd June 2016, the Federal Ministry of Environment has consistently made deliberate efforts to recover lost grounds and ensure timely delivery of emergency intervention projects. Permit me to state that while efforts are being intensified to cover more milestones in the HYPREP implementation framework, it has become exigent to find lasting solutions to challenges of theft, from vandalization of project items, and incessant sponsored agitations, which have over the years encumbered the procurement process and effective delivery of emergency and livelihood support projects.
The Permanent Secretary of the Federal Ministry of Environment, Ibrahim Yusufu Kontok, say the commissioning of the water project for the community and the way federal government give the project site to contractors shows the federal government ready gidigba to clean up Ogoni land.
Remediation project, in line with the recommendations of the United Nations Environment Program UNEP report on Ogoni land, is the provision of potable water that meets the World Health Organization standards. Guided by this, HYPREP embarked on the provision of potable water in its Phase 1 water scheme with the award of 6 water contracts in March 2021. Today, we are here to witness the commissioning of the Baroko water scheme, which is one of the projects in the Phase 1 water scheme in Ogoni land. The completion and commissioning of the Baroko water scheme is a further affirmation of the commitment of the federal government through HYPREP to the full implementation of the UNEP report.
The community chief, Joe Barida Kontok, say
HYPREP have been doing so well to fulfill the unique report, and I'm happy with them because they didn't abandon the project. We suffer a lot. In fact, if somebody has a small borehole in his own compound and he's selling, we fight for it. Those who build the borehole for themselves. But before now, we've been suffering. Going to the stream just behind you here. And well water, which we don't know who polluted it. By the time we come to fresh it, we suffer from water pollution.
From Gokana local government area of Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.